Let me tell you guys about LumaFusion. Oh my god, you're not gonna believe this. LumaFusion is an amazing editing app. At first, I really thought it was one of those hard apps that I can't control. But when I tell you this, it's a really good app. Not only can you do cool transitions, you can add as many clips as you want and it doesn't have a limit. Like, you can make as many videos as you want, and it's really easy to use. LumaFusion is a great editing app because it's not only easy to use, but it's very simple. Unlike other apps, LumaFusion is ranked one of the best apps for editing. I was in charge of making a 6th grade presentation with only 2 days to work on it. Like, who could work on it for 2 days and have it all done? And the fact that it was 10 minutes long, oh my god. But thanks to LumaFusion, I got it done and the presentation was amazing. Anyways, thank you so much, LumaFusion. Please guys, go download our app. Link in the description. Please click it and download it.